Well, we're heading back through Prague, and this is the time we're doing it during the day. We're heading back out to Barvon, and going to get some more looks at the city hopefully tomorrow. But these are just your standard apartment buildings in Prague, and it's on a beautiful river. I have to ask my girlfriend the name, actually my fiancée. Name of the river, and there she is. But it's we've been here through a couple times at night, and I just getting to look at it for the first time during the day. Look at this, man. This is just beautiful here. I don't know the names of all these buildings, and being that Tina, her English is not all the way up to par, I can only ask questions through the translator, so I cannot videotape and ask the names of the buildings at the same time. So what I'm going to probably do is put baseballs or subtitles underneath here. Oh my God, look at that castle. That's the castle I think Dave was talking about. Beautiful castle. It's amazing through here. Yes, Daisy said we should see that castle. But yeah, it's a little hard to catch things out here right now. There's the St. Charles Bridge. It's a little hard to see from the car here, but this is a very famous bridge. I think this is also known as the Love Bridge. And then look at this castle or this tower here. It's just amazing. This is all part of Prague. I don't know the landmarks. I don't know the names. I said that before. And look at this. You go right underneath the building here through the tunnelway. I mean, this is ancient. Ancient city.
Right here. Boom.
Oh, look at this here. Yeah, it's very hard to see from here. I can't quite see through the window there, but it's hard to shoot from inside the car like this. And now it's starting to get dark very fast. But we're just rolling through the downtown. Tina knows very well. Tin knows very well how to get around. I'm actually getting hungry for some dinner, but doing okay other than that. Okay, here's the castle over here. It's every time I try to get a shot, there's a train goes by. Okay, and we flip back over here again. Gonna have a whole lot better video tomorrow, that's for sure. Beautiful stuff. Wow, look at this. This is just absolutely beautiful. Not as beautiful as Tina, but darn beautiful.
Thai shopping, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Bugatti.
Mont Blanc,
Yes,
Longchamp,
yes,
Praha,
yes.
Prada, Rolex.
Yes,
Ooh,
yes,
Rolex. Oh, Rolex. This is a major shopping area and urban center. And Gucci's right over here.
Mojito.
Hey, that was close. But yeah, we got, you know, all just the high-end stuff here. I think she's trying to find a parking place. There's Bretman. And then again, look at this clock tower over here. Just amazing. Good. I think we found a spot.